Welcome to Dad's That Cook. I'm Jason Glover. I'm on a quest right now to go out around the country and find dads that know how to cook. They may be plumbers, electricians, physicians. We're gonna highlight the incredible meals that they make, show everything that they do, and get you the recipes so you can make them when you're sitting at home with your family as well. There's no time limits, there's no secret ingredients, and no experts, just good cooking. In this episode, we're cooking a tasty yet simple pasta dish with Mike Terrigno, a single dad living in San Francisco. He didn't start cooking until a few years ago, but now cures his own meats and makes his own homemade pasta. All right, welcome to Dad's That Cook. I'm Jason Glover, and we have another awesome episode for you today. We have a great guy named Mike Terrigno.
Yeah, that's right.
He's just another regular dad like all the rest of us, right? You have a job, you got kids, and you like to cook.
I do.
Mike, tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
I'm in technology sales, so I sell technology to large companies.
How long have you been doing that?
About 18 years.
18 years?
Yeah, exactly.
Where'd you go to school?
I grew up in Ohio, grew up
Okay.
in Cleveland, and went to college in Denver. Poli-sci major, and went to Washington, D.C., did some politics for about 2 years. I have 2 kids. I have a daughter, Bella, who's 9, and a son, Gianluca, who's 11. They go to school here in the city. Isabella's into dance. She's into soccer, volleyball.
I was in volleyball.
Really?
Yeah, I was on the girls' 8th grade volleyball team.
Wow.
I was the first Northern Californian boy to ever play on a girls' volleyball team.
Were you the hammer?
No, not really. I was a scrawny little...
More finesse?
Yeah. I had all the football team that would come in and make fun of me while I was playing, but I was like, hey, man, I'm hanging out with all the chicks, and you're out on a sweaty football team with a bunch of guys. And dance, does she do ballet or...?
Jazz dance.
Jazz.
Yeah, so through her school, she does it every week.
And she's going into 4th grade?
Yeah, 4th grade. She'll be a
grade?
4th grader next year. Gianluca's gonna be a 6th grader.
Wow.
Yeah, growing up fast.
You gotta stop feeding them. You know what I mean?
You know,
I'm sorry, I can't
yeah.
buy any more clothes. We're gonna trim you down a little bit. So what are we
More or
gonna
less.
make today? Do you know?
So we're gonna make kale salad with lemon vinaigrette dressing, and then we're gonna make a saffron sausage pasta.
That sounds really, really, really good.
They're very simple, and the kids love both.
The kids don't like it. They're not gonna hang out.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna go to Dad's house. His food sucks. Hey, I'm totally into not slopping on your clothes. I've got to make sure that you've got the coat that will last you for a long time. Your chef coat.
Awesome.
Chef Mike with Dad's That Cook. Got to have that going on. And then I want to hear you play this thing.
Okay.
All right, I'll put mine on too.
Okay, cool.
Because I don't want you to feel like you're left
I'll-
out, because I don't really need one.
Well, aren't you gonna help?
No, I'm not actually. I just show up at another dad's house, they cook, and I eat.
Okay, I see. That's a great
the way it
gig.
works. Nice. Awesome. We have Mike here in the kitchen now. We're gonna go through some of the stuff that he's gonna make. What are we whipping up right now, Mike? What do we got
So we're
going
gonna
on?
do a kale salad. Essentially, we're gonna be cutting up some kale, squeezing out 1 lemon, cutting up a shallot, whisking it together.
Little pepper here. You got your salt, and we got our big old thing of olive oil. We're gonna use all of that, the entire jug. Kale is like
Absolutely.
really, really good for you.
And the kids love the salads.
Okay.
They're doing their homework. I'm making kale.
Hey Dad, when's the kale ready? I want my kale. So why don't we get started on the chopping? I guess
Okay.
you do that first. And
Yeah, so I've taken the stems out of these particular leaves, so we're just
Yeah.
gonna take this bunch and
small little cuts, right?
exactly
And so you just stick that in the bowl?
stick it in the bowl. And so we're gonna that's step 1. Take a shallot, and we're gonna take this. We're gonna make a dice out of it. So we're gonna cut it across.
So you guys might have seen this once before when we did this with Ed. It just does make it a lot easier. Things come out kind of perfectly. Don't feel like your technique has to be perfect. You know, it's all about really tasting yummy. So you're gonna do a little juice in action, huh?
Exactly.
Oh my eye!
So you don't want any seeds in there. That's
You don't
why I'm
want
doing
seeds
it.
in
No,
your salad?
no.
This
That
kale's
nutritional-
kind of bitter, and
exactly.
that seed really
Add some
helped
crunch
out.
to it, some texture. So that's done.
So just 1 little lemon.
1 little lemon,
That's
and then
it?
we're gonna take about 4 times the amount of the lemon of olive oil
okay.
and make it vinaigrette. We're gonna take some ground pepper.
Just a couple of cranks.
Yeah, a couple, like 5 cranks on this thing. Pinch of that.
Pinch of salt.
And what I've done before, like if I have extra time, is you can actually put the lemon juice with the shallots and let that sit for a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We've got our kale salad ready to go, all chopped up. We've got our oil ready. We've got our shallots with the lemon juice. And now we need that wonderful assistant of yours to come in and help us mix it all up and make it happen.
Hey Isabella, can you come in here, please?
Fabulous.
We need your help.
All right,
Wanna
you know
help
how to
us?
do this deal?
Yeah.
You've done it before?
Yes.
Sweet. You like cooking?
Yes.
Awesome. Your dad's a pretty good cook, huh? Yeah, that's what I hear. All right, here it goes.
Here we go.
She's whisking. That's good whiskey.
Nice, I like it.
How long do you have to do that for? Like 6 hours or so? Or yeah, your dad just makes you do that all night long. All right, you can go in your room and mix a little bit. Do me a favor, just bring it with you to school. Y'all done, that looks fabulous.
Awesome.
Thank you, Isabella. Since Isabella was so awesome at whisking all that together, I hear you have another helper that's gonna help us actually mix up the actual salad itself.
Hey, Gianluca, can you come in here, please?
Hello, I'm Gianluca.
What's up, buddy?
Hey,
How you doing?
we need some help putting the vinaigrette together with the kale. Can you help us mix it?
Can you whip that up? All right. You know how to do it? You've done it before, huh? And like Isabella, we're gonna make you mix it for at least another 6 hours. You like cooking with your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good, huh?
You learn to make breakfast, huh?
Yeah.
What do you make for breakfast?
French toast.
Ooh, love French toast. All right, so is that all mixed up? All right, well, awesome. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll see you later. What kind of sauce, what kind of pasta are you gonna make?
So we're gonna make a sausage cream pasta. What I love about that dish is you can actually trade things out. So we're gonna use saffron with some water. We could easily just, instead of doing saffron, do sun-dried tomatoes or mushrooms.
It's kind of like whatever flavors you like, you can start putting things in.
And if you don't have sausage, you could use ground beef, ground pork. So I'm gonna take some sausage, some thyme, cut up an onion. What I like to do is, I like to take it out of the casing. So all we're gonna do is cut it. This is gonna come apart and we're just gonna take it out of here like this. You don't want too big of pieces.
Not too chunky.
Exactly. Instead of dicing this, we're just gonna thinly slice it. And then we're gonna take some hot water, about a cup, with some saffron.
Okay.
So we're gonna take a couple of these strands here.
All right.
Crumble like about 4 or 5 threads of saffron in this thing. And you want that to sit for about 10 minutes. So
kind of like a tea almost, you know?
Yeah, it's gonna seep in it. And then we're gonna take the thyme and get about, I don't know, a tablespoon of fresh thyme. Get these off.
Just gonna pull a few of these off. Again, you just pull them backwards and they fly right off.
Absolutely. You can use dry one if you wanted to.
All right, so we got our thyme, we've got the saffron and the warm water.
Yep.
And we've got our onions, our sausage, and it looks like it's all kind of ready to be put in a pan for the most part.
We're ready to go. So I got the water boiling for the actual pasta, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the sausage cream sauce. And we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons worth of olive oil.
Oh yeah, that was 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Yeah, that's about right.
About right. We're gonna take the onions we chopped earlier, put those in there.
All right.
Medium heat. We're gonna have that cook for probably about 5 minutes or so.
Onions.
Onions.
Gotta love onions.
The other white meat.
Onions is the other white meat? I didn't know that. You know, rather than getting that pork chop, you might as well get that onion because that's the other white meat. That's right, you're not a professional chef.
I'm not. Yeah, so if you can put like half a teaspoon of salt in there.
A little bit of salt?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Half a tablespoon of pepper here. So we're about ready to add the sausage now.
All right, I like sausage.
Throw the whole thing in. The key here is you want to mash this up so you don't want the pieces to be too big.
Work them around.
Work them around, get them browned. And we're gonna have these cook for probably about 6 or 7 minutes.
Okay. Hey, you're pretty intense on that stuff. And the concentration that I'm seeing is unreal. It looks like one of those spoons Grandma had, you know?
Wasn't handed down though.
No.
No.
I mean, it goes with the tile in this place for sure.
So does that knife, that middle knife over there? That was from Grandma.
This one?
Yeah.
This looks like a grandma knife.
Oh yeah.
Totally does.
Yeah. The stories that thing could tell.
I bet. This is like a, what is this, like a horn or something? Looks like, or a tooth.
Looks like it. I don't know.
Ivory, maybe. I don't know. I think this thing's illegal.
So now we're about ready to put in the saffron.
Oh, look at how colored it all looks. All yellow.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna put that in there.
Awesome. Sometimes guys, they'll throw some meat in there, they'll do something, and then it starts getting dry. And I don't know if you've ever had that complaint before by anybody at home. Oh, it's pretty dry. All you gotta do is throw a little bit of water in.
Absolutely.
I mean, obviously you're throwing some saffron in to give it some flavor, which is nice.
Sure.
Chicken stock or chicken broth or something, actually just to get more juices into your meat.
So now we're ready for the heavy cream.
All right, heavy cream.
1 cup of heavy cream, we're just gonna throw that in there.
All right. See that? Look at that, almost making a mess.
So we're gonna cook this down for probably another 5 to 10 minutes while we get the pasta going. Penne pasta, so
Penne.
1 pound.
Throw it in there, buddy, make it happen. Stir that up a little bit in there, huh, so it doesn't stick.
Exactly.
Now what? We just sit here and wait. Have a beverage, sit down, talk, yell at the kids about their homework.
Exactly.
Pasta's coming along really nice. That sauce is looking yummy.
So we're gonna wanna take that thingamabob back there. Do you know what this is called?
Strainer? strainer thingamabob. So is
we-
it ready for that?
No, we have about another.
Yeah, it looks
Couple.
still real al
probably
dente there. Because I don't want any chewy pasta, man. Do you have your, like taste your food as you go along, or do you just
absolutely.
sit here and stare at it? Oh, that's so good. Oh, I wanted to double dip right there.
Yeah,
Did
you were
see
going
that?
to. I saw the reach. The reach.
I can't do it. I'm on TV. Just throw it in there. Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, excellent. So now what we're going to do, instead of straining it, I'm just going to use this strainer.
Just put it right in the pan.
Exactly. The extra water, I don't really worry about, having
Moisture.
extra water in
Yeah. You're gonna lose most of it anyway. I mean,
Exactly.
get that going.
Get this
Mix it
mixed in.
So this is
With some
done.
cheese. This is done.
We're ready. Now. I think we really need to taste it and test it.
You want to taste it?
I think so.
All right.
Let me go get my clean spoon. Oh, that's
Saffron,
tasty.
yeah.
Well, that's excellent.
Well,
So now we're gonna plate it.
Yep.
We're gonna chow it out, and we're gonna see what the kids think about it. All right, let's go. Let's
go.
do it. We're down at the table. We got Isabella and Gianluca. We're hanging out. We're waiting for that slow cook to finally bring us the food. I've been here all day waiting for food, and it's not here. I think I'm gonna go on Yelp. Oh wait,
Hey!
he finally showed up. All right.
I have the kale salad.
All right, we got the salad.
A little cheesy going on that
Little
pasta.
cheese and the pasta. Yeah, we got to sample that. Ooh, look at that.
Help me out.
Ooh, yeah, here, let me help you out with that. That is quite the platter you got going on there, Snip Snap. Awesome, thank you. Kale salad. We got some pasta happening on the plates there. Well, thanks again, Mike, for having us over today.
Surfing great.
Awesome. This is gonna taste so good. Look at this stuff. Look at this yummy food. You want some
It's a
cheese on
must.
yours?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Very nice manners. I like that about children that have nice manners.
All
All right, let's give it a try. Let's see how it goes.
Sounds-
I'm gonna dig right into this pasta here because that's good, huh? It's really yummy. What do you think your dad's cooking? Is it good?
Good.
Yeah. I appreciate actually making something really simple, really easy, and this is a really easy dish. Do you think you could make it?
No.
No.
Oh, I think you could.
I think you could.
I think
you
definitely
could.
Gianluca could.
Well, that's pretty much it for today. Dad's That Cook has whipped up an awesome meal thanks to Big Mike over here. This has been a real simple meal. Again, you can go online, dadsthatcook.com. You can check it all out. We'll have all the recipes on there for you. Thanks again, Mike, for having us
Thank
over.
you.
I really
Coming
appreciate
over.
it.
Appreciate it.
It was awesome. And we're looking forward to seeing you again. Dad's That Cook. We'll see you on the next episode, all right? Right? That's right. Oh, she's got her mouth stuffed. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's just dig in. Mmm. Are you a dad? Do you like to cook? Do you cook meals for your family? Are you a regular dad like I am and not professionally trained, but you think you've got what it takes to be on my show? Go to dadsthatcook.com, fill out the form, and who knows, you might be the next person on our show.